Your car deserves more than just a wash. It deserves a miracle. At AMiracleDetailing, we bring out the brilliance in your vehicle with our premium ceramic coating service. Paint preparation and polishing are the key steps before installing the ceramic coating. A quality ceramic coating isn't just about shine, it's advanced protection. Think long-lasting defense against solvents, acids, oils, dirt, UV, and environmental attacks. Your paint stays cleaner, longer, and that mirror-like finish, unmatched. Finest Reserve ceramic coating bonds at the molecular level, forming a slick, hydrophobic shield that lasts for years, not weeks. No more endless waxing, no more fading or dullness. Just a deep, glossy finish that protects and turns heads. AMiracleDetailing, where shine meets science. Schedule your free quote today